Okay, imagine this. You go to the doctor asks you, where does it hurt? And suddenly, you forget every word in English.
Oh no. And then you just point at your stomach and say, here?
Exactly. Today, we're going to teach you all the words and phrases you need to talk to a doctor, clearly, calmly, and in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Thrive, where real conversations help your English grow.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. And today, we are talking about something really important, going to the doctor.
This is one of those situations where you really need your English. It's not like talking about the weather. You need to explain how you feel, what hurts, how long you've been sick.
And if you don't have the right words, it can be stressful and confusing. So today, we are going to help you feel ready. We'll teach you how to describe symptoms, answer the doctor's questions, and understand what the doctor says.
Step by step, nice and easy.
So, David, let's start with a little story. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Okay, imagine you wake up one morning, you have a headache, your throat hurts, and you feel very tired. So you decide to go to the doctor.
That sounds like a Monday morning for me.
Every Monday. But seriously, a lot of English learners feel nervous in this situation because they don't know how to describe what they're feeling.
Right, and the doctor is asking questions quickly, and you're thinking, what's the word for this pain? How do I say this in English?
Exactly. So let's start from the beginning. When you arrive at the doctor's office, the first thing you usually do is check in at the reception desk. And the receptionist might say something like,
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
and you can reply, yes, I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. Or if you don't have one, no, I don't have an appointment. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Simple, right? Let's try that. Say it with us.
I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Great. Now let's go inside. Okay, so you're sitting in front of the doctor. The doctor looks at you and says, David, you be the doctor.
Good morning. So what brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I haven't been feeling well for the past 3 days.
I see. Can you tell me more? What are your symptoms?
I have a headache, my throat is really sore, and I feel very tired.
Perfect. Did you notice those phrases? I haven't been feeling well. I have a headache. My throat is sore. These are super useful.
Let's talk about symptoms. A symptom is how your body feels when you are sick. And in English, we usually say, I have a, or I feel a.
For example, I have a fever. That means your body temperature is high.
I have a cough. That means you keep coughing, like this.
Very convincing, Olivia.
Thank you. I have a runny nose. That means your nose is running. Lots of mucus.
And I feel nauseous. That means you feel like you want to vomit. It's not a nice feeling.
Definitely not. And here's one more very important phrase. I feel dizzy. That means the room feels like it's spinning.
These phrases are really common. Let's say them together slowly.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I have a runny nose.
I feel nauseous.
I feel dizzy.
Try saying those slowly. It's okay to go at your own pace.
By the way, if this video is helping you, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps other English learners find us too.
Okay, now let's talk about pain, because the doctor will almost always ask, where does it hurt?
And you need to know how to say two things, where the pain is and what kind of pain it is.
For where? My stomach hurts. My back hurts. I have pain in my chest. My leg hurts.
And for what kind of pain, this is really interesting because in English, we have many different words for pain. It's not all just pain.
That's true. For example, a sharp pain that feels like a knife.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
It can be. Then there's a dull pain. That's like a heavy pressure. Not sharp, but it doesn't stop.
And a throbbing pain. That's when the pain beats like a heartbeat, like boom, boom, boom.
Very common with headaches.
Right, and then there's a burning pain, like something is on fire inside.
So, if the doctor asks, can you describe the pain, you can say, it's a sharp pain in my stomach. I have a dull pain in my back. My head is throbbing.
These phrases will help the doctor understand exactly what you're feeling, and the better you describe it, the better they can help you.
It's literally worth learning these words.
Now, the doctor will ask you many questions. Let's look at the most common ones.
First question, how long have you had these symptoms? You can say, for about 2 days, since yesterday, for the past week.
Second question, is the pain constant or does it come and go? Constant means it never stops. Come and go means sometimes you feel it, sometimes you don't. You can say, it's constant, or it comes and goes.
Third question, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? This is very common in English-speaking countries. 1 is very mild, 10 is the worst pain imaginable.
Hopefully nobody is at a 10.
Hopefully, yes, hopefully. You just say, I'd say about a 6, or it's around a 4 right now.
Fourth question, do you have any allergies? An allergy means your body reacts badly to something, like a medicine or food. You can say, yes, I'm allergic to penicillin, or no, I don't have any known allergies.
And fifth, are you taking any medication? Medication means medicine, pills, tablets, that kind of thing. You can say, yes, I'm taking ibuprofen for the pain, or no, I'm not taking anything right now.
These 5 questions and their answers will take you a long way at the doctor.
And hey, if you're enjoying learning English with us, subscribe to Fluent Thrive. We have new videos every week with real conversations just like this one.
Okay, let's talk about some mistakes that many English learners make when talking to a doctor. Don't worry, these are very common and they are easy to fix.
Mistake number 1, saying I have pain instead of saying where the pain is.
Right. I have pain is technically okay, but it doesn't give the doctor much information. It's much better to say, I have pain in my lower back, or I have pain when I breathe.
The more detail, the better.
Mistake number 2, using the wrong word for time.
For example, many learners say, I am sick since 3 days, but that's not correct in English.
The correct way is, I have been sick for 3 days, or I've been sick since Monday. For is used with a length of time, for 3 days, for 2 weeks. Since is used with a point in time, since Monday, since last night. Don't worry if you've made this mistake before. It's one of the most common English grammar points that trips people up.
Don't tee me. Everyone makes this mistake at some point. The important thing is you know it now.
Okay, so the doctor has listened to you. They've asked their questions. Now they're going to tell you what they think.
And this part can feel confusing too, because doctors sometimes use complicated words.
Let's look at some common things a doctor might say and what they mean in simple English.
The doctor might say, you have a viral infection. That means a virus is making you sick, like a cold or the flu.
Or, you have a bacterial infection. That means bacteria, not a virus, is the problem.
This matters because a bacterial infection can be treated with antibiotics, but a viral infection usually cannot.
The doctor might also say, I'm going to prescribe you some medication. That means they're writing a prescription, a paper or digital note that lets you get medicine from a pharmacy.
And they might say, take this twice a day with food. That means 2 times per day, and eat something before you take it.
Or, come back in a week if you don't feel better. That means go home, rest, take the medicine, and if you're still not better in a week, come see us again.
And one more very important phrase the doctor might say. Get plenty of rest and drink lots of fluids.
Every doctor says this.
Every single one. Fluids means water, juice, tea, anything you drink. It helps your body heal.
Now, here's something many learners forget. You can also ask the doctor questions. You don't have to just listen. It's completely okay to say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again, please?"
That is such an important phrase. Doctors understand that not everyone is a native English speaker. They will repeat or explain.
You can also ask, "How many times a day should I take this?"
Or, are there any side effects I should know about? Side effects are unwanted symptoms that a medicine might cause.
And if you're not sure about your diagnosis, that's the name for your illness or condition, you can ask, "What exactly do I have?"
Or, is this serious?
The doctor is there to help you. Asking questions is not rude. It's smart.
We have a question for you. Have you ever been to a doctor where you had to speak English? How did it go? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
Okay, let's practice together. I'm going to be the patient, and David will be the doctor.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling unwell for about 2 days. I have a sore throat and a mild fever.
I see. Is the pain in your throat constant or does it come and go?
It's pretty constant. It hurts more when I swallow.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the discomfort?
I'd say about a 5. It's not unbearable, but it's really uncomfortable.
Have you taken any medication?
Just some pain relief, paracetamol.
Beautiful. Did you notice all those phrases we learned? Now it's your turn.
Think about this. You have a stomach ache and a slight fever. How would you describe that to a doctor? Try saying it out loud right now. Use the phrases, "I have," "I've been feeling," "It's been like this for." Okay, let's do a quick review of the most important phrases from today. Listen carefully and say each one after me.
I haven't been feeling well.
I have a sore throat and a fever.
It's been like this for 2 days.
The pain is constant.
I'd say about a 6 out of 10.
I'm allergic to penicillin.
Could you say that again, please?
Those 7 phrases could help you so much the next time you visit a doctor. Write them down if you can.
And that's it for today's episode of Fluent Thrive.
We hope you feel much more ready to talk to a doctor in English now. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be understood.
And with the phrases we learned today, you absolutely can be.
English gets easier step by step, and you are already taking great steps by being here.
If this video helped you, share it with a friend who's learning English. You never know, it might help them exactly when they need it most.
We'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.
And stay healthy.
Bye.